Hi, welcome to new video of Python series of learning in channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn about Python Lambda expressions and how to use them to write anonymous functions. Also do check out other videos of different series, I will add links in description. If you are new here, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive every video update. Thanks. Sometimes, you need to write a simple function that contains one expression. However, you need to use this function once, and it'll unnecessary to define that function with the def keyword. That's where the Python Lambda expressions come into play. What are Python Lambda expressions? Python Lambda expressions allow you to define anonymous functions. Anonymous functions are functions without names. The anonymous functions are useful when you need to use them once. A lambda expression typically contains one or more arguments, but it can have only one expression. The following shows the lambda expression syntax. It's equivalent to the following function without the anonymous name. Now look at both the syntax, the purpose of both are same, but the implementation are different. Now, let's look at some of the examples to understand it better. In Python, you can pass a function to another function or return a function from another function. The times function returns a function which is a lambda expression. And this snippet shows how to call the times function. Since the times function returns a function, the double is also a function. To call it, you place parentheses like this. Some important points to remember. Use Python Lambda expressions to create anonymous functions, which are the functions without names. A lambda expression accepts one or more arguments, contains an expression, and returns the result of that expression. Use lambda expressions to pass anonymous functions to a function and return a function from another function. Have you guys any questions in your mind? Do not hesitate to ask in the comments section. We learned what lambda expressions are, how to use them and implement it in our projects. If you want to learn Django, click on the link at the end of the video. Also do check out my other videos of Python series and advanced Python. We are going to learn some exciting new in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.